Hey everyone, welcome to Art Everyday. My name is Amina and this video is going to be a tour of an art studio. And I show you how I set up my art studio on a budget with a good organization hacks. So please don't skip this video because this is going to be a very helpful for those who are planning to set up their own art studio on a budget. So please watch till end of this video and let me know your thoughts about this video in the comments.
So this is my favorite corner in my house and my tiny art studio where I sit and do all my art tutorial videos for my YouTube. Also a comfortable place where I can sit around for a long time. I got all these furnitures from IKEA because IKEA has got a lot of things that one can really afford. And it is a one-stop shop for setting up an art studio. I got this a pegboard and shelves, a desk and a rotating adjustable chair, and there's a mobile holder from IKEA. I kept all my small paintings over this rack, makes me to inspire art ideas more, and those two awards I got recently. One of the easy way to organize an art material is by using a pegboard. This design allows you to add hooks and shelves, providing a flexible storage solution, hanging paint tubes and scissors and all. As I am a night owl, I get lit from this table lamp, and it is also from IKEA. Your space will be clutter-free and more artistic. I kept all my favorite artwork here, so it's a kind of attraction that makes me to paint every day without being lazy all time. Yeah, it's a kind of a law of attraction principle. Yeah, what do you think? And these brushes I kept in a glass jar, and it is really visible to me. It's brushes, calligraphy, bamboo sticks. Every long items are kept in a long glass jar. To add some greenery, I placed a cactus plant, and it's a name board I created for myself. It's a wooden name board. So let's see the paintings I did so far for the YouTube tutorial. Those were my favorite paintings, and I got so many views also for these two paintings. The brushes and paletines are well organized in a jar, keeping my space tidy and creative. These trays are very useful. You can keep all essential things on it. I usually keep a tape and sticky notes here. I write things to do on the sticky notes, and it makes me to go a well-planned routine. These are yet another beautiful small paintings I did for decorating my art studio. Again, these are shelves, also from IKEA. Can store lots of art materials. The second shelf is full of my paints, water, texture paste and all. So I have filled up all my shelf with my art materials. That's how I organized my studio on a budget and organization hacks. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you this rotating adjustable high chair. It is really comfortable for me. Yes, I hope you enjoy watching my video and my tiny art studio tour. I have linked all the materials in my YouTube description box. You can check there. And yes, please comment your thoughts about my tiny art studio. That's all about my art studio tour. Let me know your suggestions and ideas in the comments. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.